Hey, welcome back. Privileged Identity Management, or PIM, is an Azure Active Directory service that enables you to manage, control, and monitor access to essential resources in your organization. These resources include Azure AD, Azure, and other Microsoft online services like Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Intune. In this lesson, you will learn about privileged identity management. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Let us start with understanding why somebody should use privileged identity management. Organizations want to minimize the number of people who have access to secure information or resources because that reduces the chance of a malicious actor getting access or an authenticated user inadvertently impacting a sensitive resource. However, users still need to carry out privileged operations in Azure AD, Azure, Microsoft 365, or SaaS based applications. So, organizations can give users just in time privileged access to Azure and Azure Ready resources and can oversee what those users are doing with their privileged access. Let us look into the privileged identity management capabilities. PIM mitigates the risk of excessive and unnecessary or misused access permissions. It requires justification to understand why users want permissions and enforces multi factor authentication to activate any role. Privileged identity management is just in time, providing privileged access only when needed and not before. It is time bound by assigning start and end dates that indicate when a user can access resources. Privileged identity management is approval based, requiring specific approval to activate privileges. PIM is visible, sending notification when privileged roles are activated, and PIM is auditable, allowing a full access history to be downloaded as well. Let me quickly show you where you can find privileged identity management. I'm on my Azure portal. You can go to the search box and type in Azure AD Privileged Identity Management and select that. So this is where you would be able to create your roles. You can see your request and approval request. I'm not going to go in detail about how you can set up PIM. I think I have done a couple of videos in AZ500 and AZ104 explaining the steps of how you can set up privileged identity management. So please go and check those videos. So what can you do with PIM? Once you set up privileged identity management, you will see task, manage, and activity options in the left navigation menu. As an administrator, you will choose between options such as managing Azure AD roles, managing Azure role, managing Azure resource roles, or privileged access groups. When you choose what you want to manage, you will see the appropriate set of options for that option. So, why use PIM? Privileged identity management reduces the chance of a malicious attacker getting access by minimizing the number of people who have access to secure information or resources. By time limiting authorized users, it reduces the risk of authorized user affecting sensitive resources. PIM also provides oversight for what users are doing with their user administrator privileges. PIM mitigates the risk of organizations of elevated privileges. In the next lesson, we are going to learn about Azure Identity Protection. I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care.